Everybody is talking about Claude AI dropshipping right now. People claim that it can find you winning products, build your Shopify store, make your ad creatives, write your ad copy, and basically run the entire dropshipping store by itself. So for the next 24 hours, I'm putting that to the test. I'm launching a brand new Shopify dropshipping store and having Claude AI make every single business decision. It has to find us a winning product, help design the Shopify store, create the ads, write the ad copy, and ultimately help us launch the ads on Meta. Then I'll spend a realistic testing budget on our ads for 24 hours and I'll show you guys everything, whether we make money or we lose money. So let's start with the most important part of any dropshipping business, and that's finding a winning product. And this is where I think most Claude AI dropshipping videos get it wrong, because I'm seeing people paste a prompt into Claude and expecting it to find them a winning product. But the problem is that Claude doesn't really have any data behind it, so it doesn't really know exactly what's trending. So you don't want to go to Claude and just say, find me winning dropshipping products, because it'll give you some direction. But as I was looking through what it's recommending, it's not really giving you any specific products. It's just saying pet product market, one of the best niches for dropshipping, furniture and home decor continues to boom. So it doesn't really give us any direct market research. So to actually find winning products with Claude, you have to connect a product research tool to it. And the one that I like to use is called TrendTrack. And as you can see here, they connect directly with Claude. All we have to do is copy this URL here. Let's go back to Claude. We're going to click this plus icon, add connectors, add a custom connector. We can name it TrendTrack and then paste the URL there and click add. So you can see here under connectors, now you can see TrendTrack. So anytime we ask it a product research question, it's going to take the data from that product research tool. So what I did is I came up with a prompt, and I'm basically just saying my goal is to find products most likely to generate sales within the next 24 to 48 hours. So I'll leave this along with any other prompt or tool that I use throughout this video linked down below. So I'm going to copy it. I'm going to paste it here. So now you're going to see the difference from saying, find me a winning dropshipping product. It didn't really give us anything. We gave it a more specific prompt, and now you can see it's searching through the TrendTrack library and taking all of the data. And it's even saying good data coming in. So Claude just came back with a bunch of different products and all of their data. So this first one is a miniature house book nook kit. They're selling it for $79.99. They have 740 active ads and almost 300,000 monthly visitors. And if we look at it, it's actually this product right here. And it's some kind of book nook miniature house kit. Honestly, I've never seen this product before, which is pretty cool because being in the space, I see so many products. So having TrendTrack connected to Claude is showing me a bunch of new products that might be untapped. So like I said, I don't know much about this product. So I went to the Facebook ad library, I searched them. They actually do have 300 ads running, which is kind of mind blowing that I've never even came across this product. I still don't really know what it is. After looking at it and pressing play on some of these, it's almost like Legos for adults, but it also is like a book nook. And looking at this video, if I press play, so for people that are into this, it could be a really cool product, and I can't argue against it because the data doesn't lie. It's showing that there's 300 ads running for this product, and the selling point is $179. So it must be working for them. So I do think this is a really cool product, but for now, let's continue so I can show you guys the rest. So there's a compression knee brace, and they have 1,000 active ads, 100,000 monthly visits. They're selling for $49.99, and this sounds a little bit more straightforward. So the next one is the screen-free rechargeable camera, has 700 active ads, 100,000 monthly visitors. They're selling it for $69.95. And this is the store here. So they're saying it's screen-free, instant transfer. You get 500 shots on one charge. So this product's pretty cool, but it doesn't feel too unique to me. I'm really looking for something unique for summer that maybe solves a problem or can just be a quick impulse buy. So let's look at the rest of them. There's a portable mosquito repeller. So this is a mosquito repellent, but it also has a light in it. I think that's the unique part, and it hooks to everything. It's a tiny repeller, but it also illuminates. So I think this solves a problem. It's good for camping right now because camping is huge in the summer. So this actually is one of my favorite ones so far. Looking at the next one, cordless wall art. So let's check that one out. So this is that product. And honestly, this one I don't love. It doesn't feel too unique. I think it's more of like a luxury and a nice to have than like I need this because I'm doing this thing. So working down the list, we have an air compressor pump. There's a adventure backpack, which might tie into the camping theme. And number 9 is the anti-cellulite compression legging, which might have some potential. This actually could be good. It solves a problem, solves an insecurity. And you can see there's 300 active ads, 200,000 monthly visits, probably source leggings for extremely cheap. And the last one it gave us was a sphere changing garden light. 300 active ads, 130,000 monthly visits. And it's this product right here. This one could actually be good too, because it's summertime, people are gonna be outside. The ads are probably pretty easy. You can just use image ads for these. As you can see, just nice photos of these products. So as you can see, it's saying that we should choose the miniature house book nook because it's ranked #1. As we scroll further down, it's saying the #2 sleeper pick if you want even faster sales, the color changing garden light. So I do personally like the outdoor garden light idea just because I don't know too much about this miniature house kit. So what I'm gonna do is ask it one more question and say, I like the mosquito light and the garden lights. Which of these two can I get sales with the fastest for my 24-hour challenge? So after asking Claude which product is better, the mosquito repellent that I personally liked or the sphere, it did tell me that the garden light wins in the 24-hour challenge. It's telling me that the mosquito repeller is a strong product, but there's already a bunch of advertisers running against it. So moving forward in this challenge, we're gonna be using these spherical garden lights, which I think are a cool product. It's not something that I would normally sell because I usually stick to problem-solving products, where this is almost just like a luxury nice to have. And for advertising this product, it shouldn't be too difficult. We can use AI image ads or even make some pretty simple AI video ads using this product or showing this product in the backyard. So now that we have our product picked out, the next thing that we want to do is set up our Shopify store and our supplier. And what I like to use is a tool called Build Your Store. I'll leave it linked down below for you guys, but you get a free Shopify store in minutes and it gives you guys the best deal. Shopify for $1, your supplier for $1. So I'm gonna quickly go through this process. I'll set everything up and I'll show you guys once I have the store ready. I just finished going through Build Your Store and I'm set up in Shopify, as you can see. And I did set up AutoDS, which is one of the best dropshipping suppliers for beginners. And while I was in here, you can see that I did find the outdoor lights. We can buy them for anywhere from $12 for the smallest one to up to $34 for the biggest one. I just imported the product using AutoDS. I named it Sphere Garden Light, pulled in the pictures from AutoDS. Pricing wise, I priced them all about $30 in profit. So $39.99 for the small, $49.99 for the medium, and then $59.99 for the large. So now that Claude picked a product for us and we set up the back end of Shopify, AutoDS, our supplier, and we got the product on the store, now comes the question that I was most curious about. Can Claude help us actually design a good looking Shopify store? And we're gonna put that to the test, but first we need a brand name. So I'm gonna go back into Claude and I'm gonna ask it, what should I name my brand that's selling garden lighting, specifically garden sphere globes? So it just gave us 10 different brand names, and the one that I like the most is Orb and Glow. It just kind of all fits and I think it sounds nice. So we're gonna go with this. I double checked and you can see that the domain is available, orbandglow.com. I use Namecheap for all of my domains because I can get them for $6.79. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this to cart. I'll buy it and then I'll connect it to my Shopify store. So I just bought the domain, we connected it to Shopify. Now let's go ahead and start designing the Shopify store. So to actually design your Shopify store, you need a good theme or else you're gonna be stuck with the Dawn theme. Inside of my free dropshipping course linked down below, I give away a theme inside of the Success Kit. And you can see here it's under 6-figure Shopify theme template, but we're still gonna use Claude to fill it all in. This just gives us a really good base. So I'm gonna click it and we're gonna download it. And once it's downloaded, we're gonna click import, upload zip file, and then we'll go to our downloads and then we can just drag it into our Shopify store. And once it's uploaded, you're gonna click publish. And now we're gonna click edit theme. So as you can see, it gives us a really good foundation. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna highlight all of this text and then I'm gonna put it into Claude and I'm gonna say, change this text for my homepage, but make it so it sounds good for a backyard light garden store. So as you can see, it changed that copy specifically for outdoor spaces. They created this business because we believe your backyard should be magical. Every light we carry is thoughtfully designed. And then they added some testimonials. My backyard looks incredible. So I'm gonna copy this text over and then I'm also gonna go ahead and add some photos here. So I just changed the text and then I also added these photos here. So as you can see, it looks really nice. What we're missing is our banner as well as a logo. So let's go ahead and make a banner, but I don't like using Claude for image generation. generation. So what I'm giving it is 2 of my product images, and I'm saying this is the main product I'm selling. Give me a prompt that I can give to ChatGPT to create a hero banner for my store with a sphere orb light. So it just gave me the prompt, so I'm gonna copy it, ChatGPT, I'm gonna paste it in. As you can see, ChatGPT just finished the banner, and it turned out to be a really nice image. So I downloaded it, added it to my homepage, and you can see our homepage, because of this template, is coming together really nicely. Now, the only thing missing is our logo. I'm going back to Claude and I'm saying, my brand name is Orb and Glow. Give me a prompt to give ChatGPT to generate a logo that fits my brand. So it just gave us the prompt. I'm gonna copy it. We're gonna put it in ChatGPT. As you can see, with the prompt Claude gave us, ChatGPT created a really nice logo. But the problem with this one is our store background is white. So what I did is I said, make it so it's easy to see on a white background, and this looks terrible. So I think what I'm gonna do, we're just gonna go with this text, because truthfully, the logo and stuff doesn't matter that much. So we just need the text. So I screenshotted it. I'm gonna go back to Shopify. I'm gonna click the settings, logo, and I just uploaded the logo. And as you can see, it actually looks really nice, just the text. So I'm gonna go ahead and click save. So now that we completed the logo and the homepage copy with Claude, the next thing is our product page. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click shop now. It should take us there. And luckily with the theme that I give you guys inside of my free course, it's already pre-filled in for you. So you can see we need to put benefits here. As we scroll further down, I have all the sections already laid out. So what we have to do is copy all of this text. So I'm gonna highlight it all the way down to the frequently asked questions. I'm gonna put it into Claude and I'm gonna say, rewrite this product page copy for the sphere garden light. And then I'm just gonna paste it all here. So now it's gonna write the entire product page copy for us. So I'm gonna take this text, I'll paste it onto the product page, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. So you can see the benefits here, the centerpiece of any garden or patio, sets the mood, available in 3 sizes, join thousands of outdoor entertainers who've elevated their space. These are just photos I pulled from Amazon, like actual reviews. Claude wrote the copy, as you can see. These are just product images that I actually have up here. But you can see, it turned out to be a really nice product page because of the template that I give you guys. The only thing that's missing is a really high converting main product image. And that's your first impression. So your first main product image needs to be the best that it can be. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back to Claude and I'm gonna ask it to give us a prompt to give ChatGPT to make us a main product image. And there's the prompt. So I'm gonna copy it back to ChatGPT and I'm gonna hit enter. ChatGPT just finished the image and it actually turned out really good. Most patios look the same after dark, yours won't. Shows the 3 sizes and I added it to my product page. And I think it looks really nice and basically transformed this whole page. And now when visitors land on the website, they have a really good first impression. They have an idea of what it would look like in a yard when they're entertaining people. So now the question is, can this actually make sales? Because I'm used to selling problem-solving products to specific niches. And honestly, this is taking me out of my element because I'm selling a light to people with backyards, which is basically everybody. And it's not really a need. It's hard to position this as a need. It's more of like a want or a nice to have. So I'm curious to see if I launch ads, can I actually make sales? So now speaking of ads, I think I can get away with image ads. If I can launch ads that look just like this, I really think we can drive sales. So I'm gonna use Claude as the brain to give me image ad ideas, and then I'm gonna have ChatGPT create those images. Then I'm gonna put them in Meta and I'm gonna launch them. So back in Claude, I uploaded our main product image. I'm gonna say, I want to advertise this product on Meta. I need 5 image ads. What prompt can I give ChatGPT to generate really good Meta ads? Give me 5 different photo styles, headings, and what should be included in these image ads to get people to stop scrolling on Meta and want to buy this product. So Claude just gave us 5 different photos. So the first one is the dream backyard lifestyle shot, the pool party social scene, the before and after scroll stopper, the close-up product hero shot, and then lastly, the seasonal holiday emotional play, like a summer night just got an upgrade. So I'm gonna take all of these different prompts it gave me, put them in ChatGPT, and I'll show you guys what I come up with. Okay guys, so I just took all of the prompts from Claude, put them in ChatGPT, and now we have all of our static ads that we're gonna use on Meta. So just to show you guys, it gave us this photo. I forgot to add the headline. So this is the same photo with set the mood. And honestly, these images turned out really good. But like I told you guys, I'm still a little bit hesitant. I don't know if this product can generate sales because I usually sell problem solving products. So I'm not sure. We're gonna find out soon though. Scrolling further down, Your guests won't want to leave. You'll see at the bottom that I reformatted these to fit better on Facebook and Instagram. Scrolling further down, a comparison, and then we have just a hero shot, just close up. I forgot to add the headline, so I added it here. And then scrolling further down, Summer Nights just got an upgrade. And now, as you can see, I was reformatting it. Make it 4x5 so they fit better. This one too, make it 4x5. Then this one as well, make it 4x5. So now they're all formatted. We have our 5 ads. So now we can go and actually set up our ad campaigns with these images. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna ask Claude, how should we set up our campaigns? So after asking Claude for the campaign setup, it initially told me this: do one campaign, one ad set with broad, one ad set with interest targeting. And I guess I forgot to clarify because it's saying the duration should be 14 days. So what I said was, would you change anything if it was for a 24-hour challenge? And it told me for 24-hour challenge, just do this, $50 to $100 a day for 24 hours. And you're gonna simplify the campaign. It's gonna be one campaign, one broad ad set, ages 25 to 65, and then put our creatives in there. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. It kind of follows what I would do anyway. And for the budget, I think I'm gonna do $75 just to be somewhere in the middle. 50 and 100, I'll just do 75 in hopes that we get a sale. Honestly, I don't know if it's gonna do well. Most challenges and most products, I'm pretty confident because I'm choosing problem-solving products and doing it the way I would. But for this challenge, Claude did everything, so fingers crossed that we can at least get a sale or at least break even. Now let's set up the campaigns exactly how Claude wanted us to. So I'm gonna click create, and then we're gonna want sales, continue, and then we're gonna wanna name this our product. So I'm gonna say sphere, globe, and then scrolling further down, campaign budget is set to 75 USD. We're gonna click next. And now we're gonna do broad, but let me go double check what it wanted us to do. Broad, all ages, 25 to 65. So I put in broad, 25 to 65, leave all of this as is. You want website, maximize number of conversions, your pixel, your conversion event needs to be purchase. And then for the start date, I'm just gonna let it run a full 24 hours. So I'm gonna do a full day. So I'm gonna do midnight here. And then scrolling further down, it wants us to change the age. So I'm gonna say, I need a specific audience, further limit the reach of your ads. And then for age, it wants us to do 25 to 65. And then all genders, United States. And now we can click next. So now in this section is actually where you upload your photo, the text, your actual ad that people are gonna see. So I named it Photo 1. I made my Facebook page, Orb and Glow. I'll connect the Instagram page in a second. You wanna do manual upload, single image or video, put in your website product page URL, and then scrolling further down just to show you the image, this is what it looks like. And the ad copy, it came from Claude. So I went to Claude and you can see this is what it gave me. Most people don't realize how much the dark backyard is killing the vibe. The headline, your backyard looks different after dark, make it worth looking at. So this is what our ads are gonna look like while people are scrolling through Facebook and Instagram. And I put in all the different photos. So you can see on this one, it's that photo. This one, it's this photo. And what I'm gonna do, I'm actually gonna launch it right away. It's only 3 p.m. right now. And because it is a 24-hour challenge, I don't wanna wait till midnight and let it run a whole day. So we're gonna go down here and I'm just gonna run it and have it start in the next, we'll say 30 minutes or so. So right now it's 3:30. So I'm gonna have these start at 4 p.m. So I'm gonna go ahead and fix these errors, publish the ads, and then I'll see you guys once these ads have ran for 24 hours. Fingers crossed we get a sale. Not feeling the best about it, but I guess we'll see. And I'll show you guys exactly what happened, how much I spent, how much I made, how much I lost, sales, everything like that. I'll see you guys in 24 hours. So it's been about 3 or 4 hours now, and I wanna give you guys a quick update of what the ads look like, and also something that I wanted to do on the store to improve that I completely forgot to do. As you can see here, we spent about $17 so far. Metrics, there's just not much data here yet, so it's hard to say. But one thing I do see is that we spent $2 on this photo, $180 CPM, there's no click. I might turn that off. We'll see in the next hour or so, just because why let that one spend anymore? It just hasn't even gotten a click yet. And the one that is taking up the spend is this one. It spent $14. And surprisingly, it's just a plain photo of the 3 lights. And this one, the metrics aren't too bad. $1 cost per click, click-through rate almost 3%. But what I was thinking is I forgot to put bundles on my store. Right now, I'm only offering 1, but I wanna sell multiple and I wanna do quantity discounts. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make bundles here where it's like buy 2, save 20%, buy 3, save 30%. The app I use for that is called Rapi Bundles. So I'm gonna install it, I'll set it up, and I'll show you guys what it turns out like. Just finished setting up the Rapi Bundles Bundles app, and this is what it did. We're encouraging them, and you can see Duo is pre-selected, and it just encourages them like, hey, this is the most popular, you save 20%. Then if they get the Trio, which is a 3-pack, it's the best value, and they save 30%, still leaving us with a bunch of profit. We'll see what happens. It's still really early. I'm gonna let it run. I'll give you guys an update in the morning, and then another one once the challenge is over. We'll say around like 3 p.m. tomorrow. So it's the next morning. I'm about to go to breakfast, but I wanted to give you guys a quick update of what's happened on the store because we did just get our first sale. So let me show you guys the metrics. So as you can see here, this was yesterday. So this was day one. We launched the ads around like 3 or 4 p.m. So you can ignore all of like the bot traffic that Facebook sends when you publish a campaign. But you can see day one, we had 2 add to carts, 1 checkout, no sale. And if we go to the ads manager, you can see that basically same thing as yesterday. This one ended up spending $31. We turned this one off because it spent $2, didn't get a click, and nothing happened. No add to carts, no nothing. We added the bundle app and we just let it run. So let's look at the metrics for today. It's still early. I'll give you guys another update towards the end of the day, but you can see that photo 3, the one that was spending the most, just the plain image by itself, it did end up getting a sale. So it spent $19 today, CPM $50, cost per click's $1.79, had 11 clicks. Click-through rate isn't bad, 2.8 for an image. And you can see that it did get the sale for 2. And the ROAS for that sale was actually high because they bought 2 for $89. And if we look at the Shopify report, just to show you, you can see that they bought 2 of the mediums for $89. And that was thanks to Rapi Bundles. So I added it to the store and you can see here, total revenue $89.99 on that one order. And then just to show you guys the analytics for today so far, let's switch to today. And you can see that that sale came in pretty early, like 7 a.m. We had 21 sessions today. Conversion rate's 4.7. We had 1 person add to cart go all the way through to checkout. And then looking at where it came from, you can see here that $89 came from Facebook. So I'm gonna let this run for a couple more hours just to complete the 24-hour challenge, and I'll give you guys a final update. And I think I'm gonna drop the price like $5 just to see if we can get another sale, but we'll see what happens. Honestly, I'm surprised we did get a sale because this isn't a product that I usually would sell, even gravitate towards, but we listened to Claude and we did get a sale. So I'll run the final numbers at the end, show you guys how many sales we got, we profited anything, and give you guys the raw results. It's officially been 24 hours since launching this dropshipping store. Let me show you guys the results and then I'll break down the profit at the end. So as you can see on the screen, this was yesterday. We had 192 visitors. A lot of it was that bot traffic that we talked about, but from Facebook, you can see we had 22 people land on the website. We had 2 add to carts, 1 got to checkout, nobody purchased. But today, things did turn around. As I mentioned earlier, we did get that sale earlier in the day, but if I look at the rest of the day, we ended up getting another sale, and I'm happy I left the ads running. We had 49 sessions, we had 2 orders, and this last order, I'll make sure to blur her information, but she purchased a small, a large, and then the medium here. So she bought all 3, probably because the images were showing a small, medium, and large. And thanks to Rapi Bundles, she did take that trio offer. You can see here, she came from Facebook, paid. And if we look at the ads manager, this was yesterday. As you guys know, we spent $30. We turned an ad creative off. But if we look at today, you can see here that it's that same pretty boring image. It's just 3 of them lit up on a lawn. And that one spent $40 today. Pretty good CPM, nothing too crazy like this one. The cost per click isn't bad for an image, 28 clicks, 3.8% click-through rate. And this is an AI generated image. And you can see here we had 4 add to carts, 2 checkouts, and then 2 sales with the 4 ROAS, which honestly I'm surprised by because I would have never picked a product like this. So if we look at how much we spent total here, because we want to calculate, did we actually make money? You can see we spent $81 and we made $197 in sales. But now let me break down our actual cost with everything to see if we actually made money. So let's break down our profit, and you can see here our sales were $197. And as you know, our advertising was $81. And then our product cost ended up being $105, which is a little bit high. I should have kept the price up because I did lower it by $5. And if we look at everything else, Shopify's $1, AutoDS was $1, Claude was $20, and then lastly, our domain from Namecheap was $7. So in total, did we make money or did we lose money? So let's look at it now, and you can see that we actually did lose money. But honestly, I think that's kind of a win for a brand new store, having Claude make all of the decisions for us. So with this store, I think I'm gonna run it for a couple more days, but ultimately, I think I'm gonna turn it off because it's not really a product or a brand that I can see myself building long term. So that completes our dropshipping challenge, and I guess it did prove that Claude AI can help us make some decisions, but I wouldn't personally rely on it completely. And if you want to learn my exact A to Z dropshipping strategy, you can enroll in my free 21-day dropshipping course. I'll leave it linked down below. Thank you guys for watching.